The importance of the family in the viewpoint of the Quran. A beautiful verse from the Noble Quran says, and of his signs is that he created for you from yourselves mates, that you may find tranquility in them. And he placed between you affection and mercy. Indeed, in that are signs for a people who give thought. There are 3 points to consider here. Number 1, why were spouses even created? God has created spouses for us from ourselves as a sign to find tranquility in them. Number 2, in this family of 2, God places affection and mercy. And number 3, these signs are not for everyone, but only for those who think. What is the meaning of ayat? A sign, an indication. In most instances in the Quran, ayat is an indication that the universe has been created with wisdom and for a purpose. In one verse, we read, the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the consequent coming of the day and night, are signs for the ones who always ponder. In another verse, we read, God in all positions, standing, sitting, and resting to their sides, thinking deeply about the creation of the heavens and the earth, and then they say, God, you did not create these in vain and without any purpose. Exalted are you. Protect us from hellfire. So this sign is to show the wisdom of God, to show that creation is purposeful. There are other verses in the Quran where the miracle of prophets have been referred to as ayat or signs, a sign that this individual is coming from God and is talking on God's behalf. Spousal life as a sign. In the Quran, the fact that we have not been created to live an individual life and have been created in pairs and with spouses is a sign of the wisdom of God. The highest and most pleasant blessing that God has granted humans among the creations is being in the company of one's spouse. The highest joys and level of affection is in a family built by the union of a man and a woman. A high level of peace and tranquility lies in a harmonious spousal relationship. Is that not a sign? A human for a human. God could have satisfied this need through means other than the humans, just as He has fulfilled some of the human needs through animals and plants. But in a family systems, 2 humans being side by side gives them peace and helps in the continuation of their generation. In other words, the highest levels of emotional and material pleasures are shaped through marriage. The person who decides to form a family has stepped along the path of divine wisdom to find peace and tranquility. It's actually one of the greatest concerns of human beings. Many people enjoy a high level of material luxury, yet do not have peace. So, here there are 2 distinct matters. material comfort, and peace of mind. 2 points about spousal life as a sign of God. Number 1. Men and women are both sources of comfort and tranquility for one another, yet the greater portion of peace-giving is entrusted to the wife. As the Quran says, لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا, meaning that you find tranquility in them as in your wives. This could possibly be due to the fact that because of the qualifications and unique emotional characteristics of women, they have a greater share to contribute. Number 2, men and women are sources of peace for one another as they complete one another. There are certain qualities in men which are less evident in women, and characteristics in women less seen in men. The unity of the two of them creates a sense of perfection that could be a source of peace. This point is further discussed in the lesson explaining verse 187 of chapter 2 of the Holy Quran.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, we highly recommend you subscribe to our channel. We upload a video every week to keep you blessed with Islamic and Quranic teachings. You can also visit our website, islamforyou.pro right now to access our Islamic courses and expand your knowledge.